I love Camiguin. Bukod sa kagandahan ng isla, dahil ang Born of Fire is great in capturing memories while enjoying the beach, mountain, waterfalls, and more. Samahan niyo ako explore ulit. Let's go! Wala pa rin direct flight from Manila to Camiguin. At dahil malang connecting flight, the best option is via Bancasi Airport in Butuan or Laguindingan Airport near CDO. In terms of proximity and comfort, I prefer Laguindingan Airport. You can save this video or take a screenshot for details. For a DIY trip around Camiguin, you can either take a public transportation or rent a vehicle. If traveling in a group, renting a car is the most convenient option. Contact nyo lang si Marvin for availability and rates. He's the best, promise. For accommodation, perfect ang Bintana sa Paraiso na malapit sa beach. Bukod sa Instagrammable, sobrang lapit sa ibang key destination. And speaking of destination, here is where you want to go or want to do. Visit Camiguin for at least 3 days to fully enjoy its many attractions. This may be a little province, but it is a paradise and has so much to offer. Papahuli ka pa ba? Let's go!